Euro 75 billion will be invested in 10 years. Here's what it means. SoftBank's massive investment will have an immediate consequence on the French data center market, and it matters now because it will significantly increase the country's data storage capacity, potentially making it a hub for European data management. This investment will lead to the creation of new jobs, both directly and indirectly, in the construction and operation of these data centers. But what does this mean for the environment, considering the massive energy requirements of data centers? And can SoftBank's investment be a catalyst for a more sustainable approach to data storage? SoftBank has announced its plan to invest up to Euro 75 billion to build French data centers, with the goal of developing and operating up to 5 gigawatts of additional data center capacity. This investment is a significant move by SoftBank, a Japanese conglomerate, to expand its presence in the European data center market. The company aims to construct these data centers in France, which will not only boost the country's economy, but also provide a substantial increase in data storage capacity. But when will we see the first data centers operational, and how will they be powered, considering the average data center consumes around 20 megawatts of power, which is equivalent to the energy consumption of a small town? The technical facts of this investment are quite intriguing, as SoftBank plans to develop data centers with a capacity of up to 5 gigawatts, which is equivalent to the energy consumption of approximately 4.5 million average European households. To put this into perspective, the total data center capacity in France is currently around 10 gigawatts. So SoftBank's investment will increase this capacity by 50%. Moreover, the average data center in France has a power usage effectiveness PU of around 1.5, which means that for every 1.5 kilowatts of power consumed, only 1 kilowatt is actually used for computing. But what if SoftBank's data centers can achieve a PUE of 1.2, which is the current industry benchmark? And how will this impact the overall energy efficiency of the data centers? Additionally, the construction of these data centers will require around 10,000 tons of steel, 5,000 tons of concrete, and 1,000 kilometers of fiber optic cables, which raises questions about the environmental sustainability of such large-scale projects. The real impact of SoftBank's investment will be felt by the average French citizen, as the increased data storage capacity will lead to faster and more reliable internet services, with data transfer speeds of up to 100 gigabits per second. This means that tomorrow morning, you will be able to stream your favorite TV show in 4K resolution without any buffering, and you will be able to upload your vacation photos to social media in a matter of seconds. Moreover, the creation of new jobs in the data center industry will lead to an increase in economic activity, with a potential GDP growth of around 0.5% per annum. But how will this investment impact the local community? And what measures will SoftBank take to ensure that the data centers are operated in an environmentally responsible manner? Considering that the average data center produces around 150,000 kilograms of CO2 emissions per year. In conclusion, the most surprising insight from SoftBank's investment is the sheer scale of the project, which will increase France's data center capacity by 50% and provide a significant boost to the country's economy. But can SoftBank's investment be a catalyst for a more sustainable approach to data storage? And what role will the company play in shaping the future of the data center industry? As we look to the future, one question remains. How will SoftBank balance its goal of increasing data storage capacity with the need to reduce the environmental impact of its data centers? And what innovations will the company implement to achieve this balance? Follow for daily AI and tech news to stay up to date on the latest developments in the data center industry and the impact of SoftBank's investment on the French economy.